Hi friends, welcome to Predev Tech. Today, let's talk about how to quickly create a landing page wireframe in Framer using AI. Yes, AI inside Framer. So, let's get started. First, open Google and type Framer. Open the official Framer website, log into your account, then go to the top right corner, click on Dashboard, and from there, click on Projects. Now click on New Project. It will ask you to choose a pre-built template. There are many options available, but for now, let me choose a blank project. On the top left corner, you'll see the Insert panel. Here you can add section, navigation, menus, media, icons, forms, utility, creative elements, everything you need to build a website. But now let me click on wireframe. And this is where the magic happens. You can literally just type anything. For example, let me write, create a landing page for an event ticketing company. And within a couple of seconds, it creates a complete landing page wireframe for you. No starting from scratch, no blank canvas fear. Now click on the play icon to preview it. Wow, it just created a fully responsive landing page. You can now customize everything. Change the icons, edit the text, update the background, modify the footer, even replace the images. And that's how simple it is to create a landing page wireframe in Framer using AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.